Welcome back. In this one, I'm going to show you how to make one-of-one copies of viral TikTok videos for your AI influencers. This method will literally allow you to be able to create viral content on tap whenever you want. And it is fully AI. There's no more deepfake, unethical kind of videos that we're going to post nowadays. It is all fully AI generated with the help of viral content to allow us to replicate that and make it our own. I'm going to show you exactly how this is done and in depth explain why this is the best method on the market nowadays and the method that we've been waiting for over 3 years now. It's an absolute no-brainer. Make sure you watch until the end and make sure you are applying this method to your own AI models to be able to make viral content and therefore print shit tons of money with your AI model. So hopping straight into the tutorial, the platform that we're going to use for this method is WAN. I believe the new version of WAN is WAN 2.2 or maybe 2.5 or some shit like that, right? That's exactly what we're going to be using for this. It's the most advanced video generation platform that there is right now that I know of. And there is definitely some interesting videos that we can make with this. So for example, videos such as this, which seem, very basic looking. However, AI on its own realistically cannot generate some of this quality, right? She's literally holding a phone. She's doing a dance here. AI on its own cannot do specific TikTok trends, right? We kind of know this. Unless it's some generic, shake your hips kind of trend. If you want it to actually do a TikTok dance or trend, there is specific ways that we can now make them do that, which is absolutely perfect for us. So I'm going to run you through the exact settings that I use. This is a very, very simple tutorial. There's nothing really technical to it, which is why myself as a non-AI designer can actually do this method. Okay, so down here we have our actual input that we want our AI to come out as. So here we're going to put the target video. Now there's some key things about the target video that you need to note. Number one is that it's going to take some experience to actually know what's going to work and what's not. So I recommend playing around with this software. It's not the cheapest to play around with, but it's also definitely not the most expensive. Literally just making videos upon videos, you're going to know what type of videos are going to work and what aren't. But some quick tips. Make sure that the face is showing in the first frame of the video. That's key tip number one. Reason being is because it works off face detection. If it cannot detect a face in the first couple frames, it will basically just not generate the video at all. Number two is making sure that it's not too explicit. Now, there is a chance that you could get a bikini video, it could go through fine, cool. But not every video will work like that. And in fact, it will get quite frustrating when you do try to make video upon video and it doesn't work and you're going to waste a load of money. So make sure that the character that you are trying to swap with is nicely clothed. And we're going to put our character image, so our actual AI model, into this. Now, this will come out wearing the outfit that they are wearing in the image, and it will come out with the body that they have in the image, logically, of course. So what this means is if you just input a selfie, it will probably randomize the outfit or try to put the outfit of the target video rather than an outfit of your choice, or it won't be, revealing, or it will put a random outfit on. You don't really want that. So make sure it's wearing the outfit that you want and it has your AI model's body. Now, some settings down the bottom. Right here, you're going to select avatar, and here you're going to select character swap. Very, very simple. And here we can go pro, we can go standard. I'm not actually quite sure what the difference is, but let's upgrade to pro. Let's generate that, and I'll come back to you when that is generated. Cool, so that took about 9 minutes to fully generate and render. Now, before I play this, I want you to remember that this is a person that does not exist. I say a person doesn't exist. This is a fully AI generated human. Literally don't exist, and they are now able to do TikTok trends. So let me just play this. Of course, it's not perfect, right? Obviously. However, the movements are extremely human. This is a TikTok trend. And, it is able to replicate with the sound on as well, so that, you can put it into socials and have that viral sound playing in the background, as well as actually doing the trend itself. Now, I know what you're thinking. The background of the video has not changed, and therefore, it can be detected that this video has possibly been copied from another creator. Now, there is also ways that we can change the background as well to make this a 100% fully AI generated video that only copies people's movements, right? If you think about CGI, that's exactly how CGI works in the Hollywood films. They'll take someone, put a load of dots around them, make them do a movement, and then CGI will be able to generate the movements onto a cartoon character or an animated Disney character, for example. Exactly how this is going to work. However, not as complex, not as expensive. In fact, basically free when you think of the return on investment, the virality possibility. Now, let me show you a video where the background has been changed as well. Okay, so here is a version of this exact video that I just generated. However, the background is completely different and it's slightly more realistic as well. So let me showcase that right now. As we can see, the camera pans out. Looks like it's being recorded by someone, even though that wasn't even part of the original video. It's kind of just entered that in to make it more realistic. As you can see, there's a lot bouncing around in this video that wasn't bouncing around before. It's in the same room as the origin picture was taken rather than the video itself. So all it's done is basically taken the movements of that person on the TikTok or Instagram reel or whatever it is that you want to replicate, that trend. Now, this specific version of the realistic videos with the background change, that is not going to be available on this video. For one, it's slightly more complex, and two, if this video generation method was completely public, it would go fucking mental and get very saturated very, very quickly. So what you're going to do is find this in the Imagine Education course, which I will tell you more about in the outro. But hopefully that tutorial makes sense and you are now able to create viral TikTok trends. Okay, so that was the tutorial on how to make viral TikToks with your AI models. Hopefully you are able to apply this. It is extremely simple and actually very, very cheap for what it is. You're literally guaranteed to make viral content with this method, so do not miss out. If you're looking to get into this business, make sure that you check the description out, and there is a $47 course which will teach you exactly how to make these AI influencers, as well as how to market them and how you're then going to make money with them with the most efficient methods possible. Check that out in the description, and in a bit.